Ever feel like no matter how healthy you eat or how many supplements you try, your energy just won't come back? If you're frustrated by that stuck, sluggish feeling, this could be why. Your mitochondria, your body's built-in power plants, are blocked. But there's hope. Today, I'll reveal the breakthrough 3-step approach that helps you unblock those power plants: drain, mobilize, and bind. When we clean up our mitochondria at the root, we don't just get our energy back, we ignite our body's true healing potential. Think of your body as a house. If the drains are clogged and junk is piling up, nothing flows, right? You feel tired, inflamed, and just off. Step 1 is drain. You have built-in drains in your body, your liver, your lymphatics, your kidneys, bowels, that move toxins and waste out. But stress, processed foods, and environmental toxins can block these exits. Cellcore's Kale support helps clear your natural drains, supporting healthy liver flow, kidney and bladder balance, and your body's waste flushing power. When the drains are open, toxins have somewhere to go. Step 2 is mobilize. Once your drains are flowing, it's time to get the stuck junk moving out of your tissues, your bloodstream, and even deep inside your cells. Glyinactive powers up glutathione, nature's master detoxifier, helping your body unstick toxins and move them safely toward elimination. It's the spark that gets junk unstuck and on the move. Step 3 is bind. Picture toxins finally on their way out. Don't let them sneak back in. Biotoxin binder acts as a toxin magnet, locking onto waste so it can't recirculate. This last step locks the door behind the junk, making sure it's gone for good. When you work in this order, drain, mobilize, and bind, you clear the blockages holding your mitochondria down. Your body can make energy smoothly again, your cells repair faster, and you finally feel the difference: real, sustained vitality. If you want to break out of that cycle of endless fatigue and start living with energy and vital health, focus first on unblocking your mitochondria. With Cellcore's targeted drain, mobilize, and bind system, you're not just covering up symptoms, you're clearing the way for health at the deepest level. Unclog your drains, mobilize what's stuck, bind and remove toxins for good. Unblock your mitochondria and unlock your life.